my brave entrepreneurs. Today I'm here to talk about 10 keys to success that you must know about. Success is not just about achieving material wealth, but it's about living a fulfilling life and creating a positive impact on the world. So, without further ado, before diving into the first key, hit the like button for the first step into your success action plan. Clarity of purpose. The first step to success is having a clear sense of what you want to achieve. Take the time to reflect on your values, interests, and passions and use them to guide you in creating your vision for the future. Make a plan by writing down the bigger steps and the smallest ones. You have to know exactly what you want before achieving your goals. Focus and consistency. Once you have clarity of purpose, it's important to stay focused and consistent in your efforts towards your goals. Create a plan and stick to it, making adjustments as needed. Positive mindset. A positive and optimistic mindset is key to success. Believe in yourself and your abilities, and don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Action. Success requires taking action. Don't just talk about your goals. Put in the work and make them a reality. Learning. Successful people never stop learning. Seek out new experiences and continue to grow and develop your skills. Resilience. Success often requires overcoming obstacles and setbacks. It's important to have resilience and the ability to bounce back from failure. Networking. Building relationships and a strong network can help you achieve your goals. Surround yourself with people who support you and bring positive energy into your life. Time management. Successful people know how to manage their time effectively. Prioritize your tasks and use your time wisely. Emotional intelligence. Understanding and managing your emotions is essential for success. Learn to recognize and control your emotions so that they don't control you. Gratitude. A grateful attitude can help you attract more success into your life. Take time to reflect on the things you're thankful for and focus on the positive aspects of your life. By incorporating these 10 keys into your life, you can start working towards the success you deserve. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. Click here to learn more.